Hi, Miss Rachel. Good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is Rachel David Manalang, age of 44. I'm living at Angeles City, Pampanga.
Okay, ma'am. What is your current marital status?
I am single. I have a two brother. I am the youngest.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have kids?
No, I don't have.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background, ma'am.
I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you please state the reason why you did not finish college, ma'am?
Because of my financial problem.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have.
Okay. In what country, ma'am? And how many years?
I work at Kuwait at Al Shaya company more than 4 years.
Okay.
I'm working at a service crew, and my duties and responsibility is cleaning, cooking, serving the food, and cashier.
Okay, ma'am. How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking person, God-fearing, and a multitasking. So,
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body, ma'am?
yeah, I have two on the feet and hand. It's invisible.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No,
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
because of I want to give a better life for my family and especially my mother for the maintenance.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Okay. Give me your idea, ma'am. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
like that I care of my grandchildren. I will talk nicely in a calm voice, and then I will play for them.
Okay. Your last question, ma'am. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am a hardworking person, multitasking, God-fearing, and I will take care of your family like my own.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.